Hey, what's good, people? Welcome back to Spec. How you been? I had this 2018 Cadillac XT5. Sorry for the noise. This car has 48,000 miles, as you can see. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick and how to reset the oil life also. Alright, so come with me. Let's get it. Yeah. If you wanna open the hood, you come down here. You see this signal. Just pull it like that. It's gonna be a little bit hard though, but you'll do it. Alright. Now, if you come through over here, here's the lever, the latch, and you're not gonna need to hold it. So you don't need to hold the hood, alright, because you have this piston, alright. Here, engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it needs. 5W30. That's full synthetic. Okay. When you see this mark, this brand, dead sauce, that means full synthetic oil. Alright. Smell it. What it smell like? Put in the comment box. Okay, I'm just gonna put it over here. Oil dipstick, horn, air filter, engine air filter, battery, fuse box, coolant reservoir, brake fluid reservoir. All right, pretty much. Windshield fluid reservoir, type of freon for the AC. That's the new version. Okay, the 1, 2, 3, 4. The old version is 1, 3, 4. Just so you know. All right, here what we got: 2018 3.6 liter engine, GM. Let's go to the bottom and drain this oil. Pulse. Here at the bottom where everything is beautiful. The oil drain plug over here. That's going to be, I want to say 14, 15 millimeter socket. This is the oil filter. Let me give you a tour real quick. These are brakes. Everything Gucci. Double pipe, pulse, canister, tank, muffler, double pipe out, PV. Let's see. There you go. That's super dirty if you ask me. Huh. Will you go another 3,000 miles with this? 5,000 miles? Yeah, please. Not me. Alright, so we're draining the oil there to the oil filter. All the tools you see, I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the, right below the video. It says product section. You see all the tools I'm using. We got this clamp, extension, the ratchet, not that ratchet, the other ratchet. This ratchet, come on, Cole. Start leaking, let it leak, pause. I just gotta say it though because I don't want to sound weird. You know what I'm saying? Let me give you a tip about draining oil. If you are that type that the people that like to drain till the last drop of oil, you can do it over the night. Or if you're in a rush, want to do it right away. What you can do is um, pour like a quarter of diesel in the engine and let it idle. You know, for a minute. Then drain the oil, and you're gonna get most of the oil out because the diesel is gonna rinse the engine. And since I said that, what thoughts you have about that? Put in the comment box. Let me know. Putting the oil drain plug back. All right. Yeah, let me know. I want to know what you think about the diesel technique. Nanchain. All right, that. Let me tie that. Go Gucci. 2 times. The oil filter. Ah, so it looks like. What brings this? Premium guard. That's the part number. Oops. Here we got a wipe where the oil filter sits. Alright. We're gonna use the same type of oil filter. You have a few options here. That's the Cadillac Champ GMOE. That's the part number. Exclusive for this type of car, 2018 Cadillac XT5. Comes dry like that. We're gonna lube it. Some WD-40, grease, oil, whatever you want to use. It's good. Tied it by hand only. Okay. Don't be using any other tools or tools. That's just gonna damage the oil filter. Yeah, me. Oh, that's pretty much it, man. Oh yeah, that's good. Clean after yourself. Make sure everything's Gucci. Let's pour the new oil. Alright, wrap the funnel. Put it with that. Don't cheat. Your oil too. 6 quarts, full synthetic, 5W30. Alright. Six quarts. So you're done with this, remove your funnel, put it away. Chain. The cat back. Start the car. Let it run for a minute so the oil go through the system, especially the oil filter. Shut it down. Pull this, wipe, tip, pulse. Put it back in, pull it out, you have a reading. So when you pull it out, you see this? It's supposed to be over here. So let me show you better. It's supposed to be right here. Right here, okay? And that's it. You put it back. And reset the oil filter. And reset the oil life. Once you're done, close it good. Ta-da. This is gonna be easy, okay? Car is not running right now. Shut it down. Step on the brake. Push the start button. Car is running right now. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use this, guys, and this one. These arrows, okay? Now, let me turn this off. You see the red frame? That means you are in that menu or option, whatever you want to call it. You want to move the menu to the middle. Press the right arrow. You want to go all the way to the right. Press dismiss. This is how you dismiss the message. Press it. You want to go all the way to the right there. If you don't see oil life right away, you just press the down arrow or up, whatever, until you find this. Then all you gotta do is press the select button, press it and hold it. You're gonna hit a beep. There you go. And then it's gonna turn to 100%. Okay, and that's how you reset the oil life in this baby. All right. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, put in the comment box. You know what to do with the subscribe, like, share button. If you want to show support, you want to show some love to the channel, right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it. It's going to ask you for a tip. You know, show your love with that. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And pause. And that's it. You know where to find me. It's me, Astu, Kaboom. I'm out, D. Yeah.